Your software can't find its instructions because the Msvcp10.dll is gone. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to restore that connection. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Msvcp10, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is a legacy C++ standard library component. It provides basic routines for object handling and memory management for applications developed with early versions of the Microsoft Visual C++ compiler toolchain. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The most consistent solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ 4.0. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Msvcp10 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone, the Msvcp10.dll downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the Msvcp10 management. If this fix repaired the Msvcp10 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.